Hi, today's tutorial is going to be how to check out a book. So once the system is already up, then you're going to click on check out. And then here for you teachers, you will enter your employee ID without the E. So let me enter mine. I press go or enter and pulls up my name. And then I am going to scan the book that I want to check out. I'm going to scan the barcode that says Martin Elementary School. Right now I'm typing it because I don't have the scanner. I press enter and there it shows me checked out. Ana Maria Reyes does not live in a castle. So I know that I have checked out the book. Once I'm done, I press reset. And that is how to check out a book.